Hello guys. So let me first of all welcome you guys to my channel, my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to link or log in how to log in your broker account with your MetaTrader. So as you can see in my screen, I have two MetaTraders. I have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The difference are not too much, and personally for me, I prefer using MetaTrader 5 because it's more recent. Although many people choose MetaTrader 4, depending on your own personal choice, you can check them both out um and actually like decide on which one to use. But in this video I'll be showing you guys how to link maybe an OctaFx account and or maybe other ones to the MetaTrader 4. Right now let me get my data on. Then I get, first of all, this is it. Let me show you now. Let me switch my notification off. Okay guys, this is my MetaTrader. Here I'm already logged in and I have a demo or paper money of 5,000 inside. But however, let me show you how this can get done. Now let me log out here and let me delete it. Now here is my OctaFx account. Now it's very easy. You don't go to Play Store, type OctaFx, Play Store, type OctaFx, OctaFx. Now this is the app. You click it and install. Here you can check the reviews of the app, their services, and the rest. So here you can after done installing it, you click open. What you should get ready with is just your email address, phone number, and I think that's all. On the first page you'll be seeing something like fill in your personal details like your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password. Now the password you are creating is for just the for you to have access to this. Like I've said in our previous classes, you need brokers to be able to fund your forex account or whatever. So this is a broker, and they offer those services. Now, what they do is that they stand in the chance, or they stand like the middleman for you to be able to trade. You cannot trade on your own, or you cannot have enough money to be able to enter the market because the money is too huge. Now these people have such money. Now what they do is that they stand in the gap for you. They stand as a middleman for you. They get commissions for doing that too. So now let me get to the business. This is a real account. I don't have a real account with them. Now here demo. I already have one. Well, I can also show you how to create more. Click on this icon here. Now you choose. Here we have OctaFx MT5. This is for MetaTrader 5. This is for their own MetaTrader, like their own personal, the company's personal trader or platform for trading. Then we have MetaTrader 4. Click on configure. Now here you can choose your account type, demo or real, currency pair, euro or USD. But let's use USD. Now on the leverage, I advise you to pick the lowest. Then balance, you can put any amount: 50,000, 500,000, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, depending on your choices. The demo is the paper money. Now click on create. Now the account is ready. As you can see, this is my account username. Then this is my account password. Now, now I can click here for me to have my password sent to my email for me to be able to log in on MetaTrader 4 and trade. Now let me refresh. Okay. I will have to pause the video to get to my account. Now here is it. Here is demo. Now here is the password. And I could click copy, open, minimize, and go to my MetaTrader 4. I click on this icon, log into an existing account, search for the broker, OctaFx demo. Now the other ones are for if you have real account, you click on real, and if you're on demo 2, you click on demo 2, but we are on demo 1. The normal demo, sorry. Now copy the password, make sure you copy it completely. Then you come down, paste it, click sign in. They're connecting us now, and here we are connected. Now here is our account. Now you can use the menus around to navigate or check around the app or play around. Now as you can see, the market is not moving. The market is on holiday, or let's say on weekends. The market doesn't open on weekends, so there's no way we can open a trade or do anything. We can see the chart, previous charts. Now this is chart. This is the chart for this year. We have GU. Here's the chart for GU. So guys, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in our next video.